The new Pixel tablet from Google just hit the shelves, and so did the new OnePlus Pad. Both these tablets seem to share the same goals in terms of performance and user experience, so if you were to choose between either of these two, which one should you pick? Let's find out.
Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio.
Before we go any deeper, let's just go through the internal specs at a glimpse. The new Pixel tablet from Google is powered by a Tensor G2 processor, which was previously used in Pixel 7 series phones. Apart from that, it's also equipped with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of 3.1 UFS storage. And both front and rear cameras are the same, featuring 8 megapixels and an 84-degree field of view. As for the battery, it includes 7020 mAh battery, which has been advertised to last for up to 12 hours of straight video streaming. Now, compared to the Pixel tablet, OnePlus Pad comes with a much more powerful chip, which is the MediaTek Dimensity 9000. Additionally, you'll also find 8GB LPDDR5 RAM with 128GB 3.1 UFS storage capacity. But what's even more impressive is it's got a 13 megapixels rear camera featuring up to 4K 30fps recording and an 8 megapixel front camera that's capable of recording at a maximum of 1080p 30fps. And thanks to the powerful 9510 mAh battery with 67 watts of super VOOC charging, it can power up the entire tablet in 1 hour, providing a backup of up to 12.4 hours of video playback. Looking at the design of the latest Pixel tablet, there is nothing too fancy going on with this 11-inch screen featuring 2560 by 1600 resolution and 500 nits of brightness. From the outside, it looks like an ordinary tablet with a homely design. If you're expecting it to perform like other high-end tablets on the market, then you're most likely to get disappointed. It's available in 3 different colors: porcelain, hazel, and rose. Besides that, it weighs only 493 grams, which makes it super easy to carry around. What set this tablet apart from other Android tablets is its additional dock support that comes right out of the box. Yup, that's right, it's a magnetic charging dock with a built-in speaker. So whenever you put it on a dock, it looks exactly like the Google Nest 2. And guess what? It can also take control of your home when it's on hub mode. This hub mode includes smart home controls, a digital photo frame, and hands-free help from Google Assistant. Not only that, if you own other Pixel devices such as a Pixel phone or watch, you can easily share your files or content by turning on nearby sharing. On the other hand, OnePlus Tab showcases a design that's both exquisite and minimalist, which is highly attractive and portable. The device is incredibly slim, measuring only 6.54mm thick and weighs around 555 grams, making it easier to carry around. Its 11.61-inch display with 2800 by 2000 resolution and up to 144Hz provide an immersive experience, allowing users to enjoy their favorite content on a fantastic canvas. The tablet's aesthetics feature a single color option called Halo Green that complements the design of the OnePlus 11 flagship phone. It's an appealing choice for users who value style, convenience, and a smooth user experience, thanks to its sleek design and compact form factor. Unlike the Pixel tablet, this one does not come with any dock support, but it does have a magnetic keyboard and stylus pen support, which can definitely help you level up your productivity. And just like the Pixel tablet, OnePlus Pad has its own cross-screen transmission, allowing you to seamlessly share files on your phone from the tablet. Cellular data sharing is another impressive feature that allows you to share 5G mobile data under the same secure account. As we can see, what differentiates these tablets from one another is mainly their features and what it has to offer in terms of user experience. For instance, if we chose the Pixel tablet, it's a very home-friendly tablet. In contrast, OnePlus Pad offers a more premium design and a budget-friendly flexible workstation for your daily casual outgoing life. Jumping into the conclusion, both these tablets come under the price tag of $500, and it's actually a pretty good deal for those who are looking forward to owning the latest Android tablet. But the OnePlus Pad definitely deserves the leading spot when it comes to a more feature-rich display, processor, and a camera. So that was all about the comparison between the Google Pixel tablet and OnePlus Pad. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.